Mob, what it do, broski?
You know the vibes.
What you got next?
I don't even know. Yeah. You know the vibes of whoop-dee.
It's my man DaveyMcFlyy. 2 Y's, man, back inside the Mob Museum, finna drop off that 5, broski. Y'all know what I need. All my OGs, youngins, day ones, new members like, man. Go ahead and drop a like button on it, jump for your boy. If you new right here, hey bro, you'll have a whole lot of fun. If you hit that subscribe button, make sure you notified, turn the notification bell on all, broski. Don't miss a beat. I got a lot of fire on the way, and I'm telling you, stick around long enough, you might even consider becoming a member. You know what I'm saying? Hey, all my members who been mobbing, let them know how we go. You know what I mean? Matter of fact, I'm gonna premiere this video, and if you happen to pull up during the premiere, look in the chat, man. Y'all drop them purple pills on them boys, cause it's purple pill time. You know what I mean? Big purple pill emojis in the chat. But all that, broski, you know what I mean? You can have access to all the fun emojis and all that good stuff too if you hit that join button, become a member. And if you can't find the join button or don't see it, I have it linked in my description where it say join the mob. All that out the way, broski.
What's next? I gotta get it. I'm not gonna stay fucking down. What's next? Give me something else.
Hey, we got that splat, bro. We got that splat on deck, man. First pack. I'ma hold it sideways cause my address on both sides. But this first pack is a jersey. You know what I'm saying? And if you've been mobbing with me real hard, you probably pull up to the live stream where I try to go live every night if I got something interesting to talk about or just anything to get off my mind before we go to sleep, you know what I mean? But y'all know me, bro. I was like really hardcore on the hunt for this jersey right here. I'm gonna be wearing a whole lot of jerseys, and what's dope about this actually came with some spray hand sanitizer, bro. Oh wow, whoa, I done dropped it.
Quit smoking so much, baby. The smoke will take you out of here. Take you out somewhere.
But look, I dropped it and everything, bro. It come with antibacterial hand sanitizer as a spray. Oh, that's fire. That's fire. I like that. That's nice. That's nice. But the jersey though, ooh, it smells good too. Dang. I'm gonna have to keep that on me. But the jersey though, bro, I'm so excited about this. When I first seen that they were releasing the Swingman jerseys, I got so excited, bro. Whoa, and they come with all the paper in the world, on the inside and out. All this extra paper, man. But look, check this out. Y'all know my guy right now. One of my new guys. I like his game a lot. Luka Doncic. We got his jersey. The city. We got the city Swingman. The Swingman jersey's affordable. I rock with the Swingman jerseys. But we got a Luka Doncic, man, in the city jersey. I absolutely love that Mavs font and the colors, bro. That Mavs font and the colors. And the jersey actually got a gradient to it. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna try to let y'all see it on by to get some visuals for it. Some little B-roll or something. Maybe. You know what I mean? But yeah, check out the back. Doncic with his number. Pretty dope, bro. You can see all that going down the sides. I got it as an extra large, and the extra large is a size 52 on jerseys. Check that out. Size 52 and all that, but dope jersey, bro. Yeah, number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the collection. I got 5 now. I gotta get some more, bro. I gotta get some more. But yeah, we stepping it up with my little jersey game. My jersey game getting right. Bang! That out the way, right? We got that out the way.
What's next? I gotta get it. I'm not gonna stay fucking down. What's next? Give me something else.
Got Mama Bear Grail, bro. We got, hold on, make sure my address ain't on anything. We got Mama Bear Grail, bro. Huh? Yeah. Straight from Nike. This ain't nothing too crazy, bro. This real ain't that too crazy, but when y'all see it, like, OG sneakerheads are gonna love it. OG sneakerheads gonna love it, and I don't think I can tell y'all as of right now it come from a movie. You know what I'm saying? This don't come from a movie. I'm trying not to mess it up too bad. And dang, I wish I could give y'all a on foot. And honestly, I'm gonna get me a pair too. I'm just waiting to see what happened with these. I'm happy to see.
Damn. Hell, fuck it.
I'm waiting to see what happened with the Flints. And I already done took a L on Finish Line and Hibbits. So there's 2 L's in already. And I'm trying to see what happened this weekend, bro. If I end up taking complete L's on the Flints, then I'm gonna go ahead and cop me a pair of these. And the OG sneakerheads gonna love it. You know what I'm saying? I'm definitely gonna be able to win a battle with this sneaker. And this ain't mine, like I said, this mama bear's, cause she really wanted a pair. You know what I mean? Her women's size, all that good stuff. $70, you know what I'm saying? For the 70. Eventually, bro, I gotta get me a pair. And let's get to it. Let's get to it, how we do it. Bam. She gonna be geeked when she see him, bro. Got a pair of Forrest Gumps. She been wanting a pair of Forrest Gumps so bad, bro. Got in the game. I'm gonna get me a pair too. Bleed it. You know what I'm saying? That Nike on the back looking cold. Hold up, let's start it with the outsole. Bam. Real deep herringbone traction. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know these junk built for running. It's a runner and all that, but yeah, bruh. Got a little bit of blue in the midsole, all white, red stripe. You know what I'm saying? Red Nike on the back. Got a little dash of tongue on the dash of black on the tongue. But yeah, bruh. And I'm gonna get me a pair too. Bleed that. I'm gonna get me a pair too, man. But yeah, that's all I got for y'all in this video today. Check them out though, man. Can't beat that. You can't beat that, bro. Got my pair of the old Forrest Gumps, man. Dog, was it even focused on the shoe? Probably not. It is now. Let y'all get a close up. A little close up 360. And we'll get on up out of here while it's focused on the shoe how it's supposed to be. But yeah, man. Real slow motion on the 360. Let y'all peep that. That Nike on the back fire, ain't it? Bro, that Nike on the back fire. I got it wedged up on the edge of the box, so move it back in frame. But yeah, these tough. She gonna swag on them. I already know she gonna swag on them. And I am too. But yeah, man. That's all I got for today. Holla at y'all boys on the next one, bro. Peace out. Ma.